Hi, my name's Steve Coleman, captain of the Great British Wushu team. If you want to up your Star Wars skills, I'm going to show you how. We have here a Darth Maul double-ended lightsaber. Okay. Now the stick spins that I've taught in previous Wushu videos are exactly the same for using this double-ended lightsaber. After all, Darth Maul is Ray Park. Ray Park, Great Britain National Wushu champion in the 1990s. So this is where all of this choreography and stick play comes from. So let's have a look at this then. We are limited to half of the stick, this piece in the middle, which is perfect for the spinny stuff. Okay, so all we do, exactly the same as before, we have one hand on one side, one hand on the other side. Okay, and we're just going to row the boat. Right hand down, left hand down. Yeah, just like we did in previous Wushu videos. Right hand down, left hand down. Okay, and you just keep it going. The lightsaber might be a bit heavier than the stick or the staff that you've been using, but the movement is exactly the same. Exactly the same. Move your body with it. Let the weight of the lightsaber carry the momentum. Okay, remember, place it to either side of the body. Nice and easy. Being a lightsaber, make sure that the blade doesn't touch your body, especially if it's one that reacts, because otherwise you chop your own arm off. We don't want that. We want to spin the other way, exactly the same. We have one hand underneath this time, and we literally uppercut this way, uppercut this way. Nice and fluid, nice and easy. Keep it quite high, keep your hands quite close together, and just allow the weight of the lightsaber to do the work for you. Nice and easy. Then you've got your double-end Darth Maul lightsaber spinning technique. If you want to take it up a notch from there, get that hand back on there, push it forward with one hand, push it forward with the other hand, change the levels that you're using, low, high, chop down, change the hands, spin over, hit down, spin over, hit down, up, change, back into spins, over the head and down. Shall we have a go at that with the lightsabers on?